In this video, we'll take you on an exciting journey through the Sahara Network app, exploring its incredible features and functionalities. Get ready to discover how this revolutionary platform empowers you to navigate the world of. Logging into your Sahara Network account is quick and convenient. To begin, tap the Enter Email Address box, and within a second, the app will automatically fetch all email addresses attached to your device. In case you are using a Chinese phone or encounter any issues with auto-fetching, you can simply enter your email address manually. After entering your email address, proceed by typing in the password you used during the registration process. If you wish to avoid logging in every time you open the app, there's a handy "Remember Me" checkbox below the login fields. By checking this box, the app will securely store your login credentials, so you can access your account seamlessly in future sessions. Now, tap the Login button, and you'll be granted access to your SaharaCoin wallet and all the exciting features within the app. Remember to keep your login credentials safe and avoid sharing them with anyone to maintain the security of your Sahara Network account. Welcome to your SaharaCoin wallet. Here, you can easily manage your SaharaCoin balance and access essential features. At the top, you'll find your SaharaCoin balance, which reflects the total amount of SaharaCoin you currently hold. Next to your balance, you can see the current price of SaharaCoin in USDT, giving you real-time information on its value. Your Sahara Pay ID is conveniently displayed here, making it easy for others to send you SaharaCoin securely. To make transactions, you have three primary options: buy, send, and withdraw. Simply click on the Buy button to purchase more SaharaCoin directly within the app. Use the Send button to send SaharaCoin to your friends or contacts by entering their Sahara Pay ID. If you need to withdraw SaharaCoin to an external wallet, click on the Withdraw button and follow the simple steps provided. Curious about your past transactions? You can access your transaction history with a single tap using the Transaction History button. Keep an eye on the countdown timer to SaharaCoin's listing on crypto exchanges. Exciting opportunities await. On second place there is mining option, but we'll talk later about this, because it's in a separate app. One of the exciting features of the Sahara Network app is the ability to stake your SaharaCoins in various funds, earning you rewards over time. Staking is a simple and passive way to grow your SaharaCoin holdings and participate in the network's ecosystem. Within the app, you'll find different staking funds, each offering unique benefits and rewards based on the staking duration and amount. When you choose a staking fund, your SaharaCoins are temporarily locked, and you start earning rewards based on the fund's terms. Rewards are in the form of additional SaharaCoins. Staking durations vary, allowing you to select the period that best aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Remember, the longer you stake, the higher the potential rewards, but be sure to choose a fund that suits your financial plans. Welcome to the thrilling world of mini-games in the Sahara Network app. Here, you can find various ways to engage and have fun while earning more SaharaCoins. Let's start with the first mini-game: Lucky Draw. It's a chance for users to use their SaharaCoins and participate in different draws to win amazing rewards. Each draw comes with its unique entry fee and exciting prizes. Now, moving on to Lucky Wheel *, another exciting mini-game where you can spin the Wheel of Fortune to win random SaharaCoin rewards. For more details on how this game works, check out our separate video dedicated to the Lucky Wheel. Last but not least, we have Gift Cards * virtual scratch cards that you can unlock and scratch to reveal SaharaCoin rewards. It's a simple yet fun way to add some extra SaharaCoins to your wallet. Jackpot Slots is coming soon. Remember, all mini-games are designed to provide entertainment and an opportunity to boost your SaharaCoin holdings. Get ready to unleash your competitive spirit with the exhilarating Streaks competition in the Sahara Network app. Streaks is a thrilling challenge where Sahara Network users compete against each other for the ultimate prize of 10,000 SaharaCoins. For every streak point you earn during the competition, you'll also be rewarded with an exciting bonus of 3 SaharaCoins. The more streak points you accumulate, the higher your chances of winning one of the coveted top 10 spots and claiming 10,000 SaharaCoins. Keep a close eye on the leaderboard to see where you stand, and don't hesitate to push yourself further to secure a spot among the top contenders. Remember, even if you don't make it to the top 10, each streak point you earn is still valuable, as it rewards you with 3 SaharaCoins, and streak points can be redeemed in Streaks shop for exciting items. Introducing Sahara Pay, the fast and secure way to send and receive SaharaCoins to and from other users within the Sahara Network. With Sahara Pay, you can easily transfer SaharaCoins to your friends, family, or any other Sahara Network user with just a few taps on your device. To send SaharaCoins, simply enter the Sahara Pay ID of the recipient, input the desired amount, and hit Send. It's that simple. Rest assured that every Sahara Pay transaction is encrypted, ensuring the safety and privacy of your transfers. Gone are the days of lengthy transaction processes. Sahara Pay enables instant transfers, making it perfect for quick payments and transactions. Receiving SaharaCoins is equally hassle-free. Share your Sahara Pay ID with others, and they can send Sahara coins to you effortlessly. Whether you're splitting bills, repaying a friend, or conducting business transactions, Sahara Pay streamlines the process and keeps your funds within reach. Referrals play a vital role in expanding the SaharaCoin community, and we reward you generously for inviting new users to join. When you refer a friend or anyone to the Sahara Network app using your unique referral link, you both receive a sign-up bonus as a warm welcome. Not only do you earn from your direct referrals, but also from referrals that your referrals bring in, up to 2 levels deep. Every time a user you referred stakes Sahara coins, you receive up to 3% of their staked amount as a referral bonus. This means that as your referral staking activities increase, so does your passive income from their participation, but that's not all. You also earn a steady stream of 10 Sahara coins per hour for each active referral when they participate in mining. As your network of referrals grows and remains active, so does your potential to earn more Sahara coins without any extra effort. Stay engaged with the referral section of the app to track your referral earnings and see your network flourish. Spread the word about SaharaCoin, invite your friends, and watch your earnings soar through the power of the referral program. Earn fantastic additional rewards by engaging with the Sahara Network app through our daily rewards program. Completing various tasks within the app entitles you to unlock a treasure trove of bonuses and prizes, making your Sahara Network experience even more rewarding. The rewards system is designed to encourage consistent activity and participation, offering incentives for a range of actions. First up, log in daily to the app to receive a SaharaCoin bonus. The more consecutive days you log in, the bigger the rewards become. Next, continue earning those valuable streak points in the streaks competition, and you'll receive daily SaharaCoin rewards on top of the points themselves. Inviting others to join the Sahara Network through your referral program can also earn you daily referral bonuses, adding to your passive income. Don't forget to spin the lucky wheel regularly for a chance to win Sahara coins and other exciting prizes. You might just hit the jackpot. Last but not least, claim your gift cards every day to enjoy even more Sahara coins as a part of your daily rewards. Keep an eye on the daily rewards section in the app to track your progress and see what awaits you each day. With the daily rewards program, growing your Sahara coin holdings becomes even more enjoyable and lucrative.